Here I've got LGK8 2018 and let me show you how to block a number on the following device. So at first let's open the phone dialer and then tap on the more icon, which is Freedos one in the right upper corner, and select call settings. Then go to call blocking and decline with message and pick blocked numbers. Simply by tapping on plus, you can add some number from contacts, call logs or some new number to this list. So let me enter some number, then click on block. And that's it. From now on, this number will not be able to reach you. You will not receive any calls or messages from this particular number. If you would like to remove it from this list, simply tap on the bin icon and then select remove. As you can see, it has been removed from your blacklist and now it will be able to send you messages and also to call you. And that's basically all. This is how you can quickly and easily block a number in your LGK8 2018. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.